Hey guys, let's look at this one with logs, and we have to know something about the properties here. So when you see a problem like this and you've got a log with the same base, like this has a base of 3, then you're going to look at what's between them. In this case, it's subtraction sign. And so the rule says that if there's a minus, then you write the log and the base one time, and then you write the other two parts as a fraction, 7/3x. The first one goes on top, the second one goes on the bottom, and then you just say it's equal to whatever it's equal to on the other side. So log base 3 of 7/3x equals 1 is how you would write that. And then you want to use the loop method. And the loop method is just you're making a loop, and you start at the base, you go in the direction of the equal sign, and you loop around. And that's going to help us to see how to write this as an exponential equation. So the base is 3. We went next to the 1. That is the exponent. And we landed at 7/3x. So 7/3x. Okay, so now we're ready to just solve this just like any other algebra equation. 3 to the first is just 3. So I'm just going to erase the exponent for now just to save space. And so I'm going to cross multiply. This is 3/1 technically. 3 times 3x, that's 9x. And 1 times 7 is 7. Let's divide both sides by 9. And we have x is 7/9. And that is the answer to this question. That's the solution to this problem. So if you need to see more on condensing logs, that's what you're looking for. That's that first step there. That's what we were doing, was condensing it, and then we were rewriting the equation in exponential form. So I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.